So, our next topic is worksheets and workbook. To understand this topic, think of a workbook as a folder that holds individual worksheets, while a worksheet is like a single page within the folder where you can perform calculations, store data, and create charts or tables. So, in technical terms, a worksheet is a collection of cells in which you enter data. Cells are organized into rows and columns. A worksheet is always stored in a workbook, and a workbook is a collection of worksheets. You can see this diagram where sheets are named with their generic name, that is sheet 1, sheet 2, and sheet 3. They all display names of different worksheets, and collection of all these worksheets represent a workbook. So that's it for now. We'll see you in the next video.